Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to change tips on your headphones Vivo TWS 2. Firstly, you should remove the current ear tips from your headphones. Here we go. And on the second one. Yeah. Now, select the right size for you. I guess this is okay for me, and attach the new ear tips. Here we go, and the second one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!